It's the first conference that will really look at applications for materials from the economic, environmental aspect, and also this big challenge of creating a digital manufacturing environment from the material standpoint, of course. IMAT wants to recognize how important it is to create a talent pipeline for the future of the materials community. ASM committees and ASM affiliate society committees, and also from the ASM board. On those committees, the people who sit on those committees, they bring together a lot of expertise, a lot of experience. They are from close to 30 countries around the world, so they represent diversity in that sense. Also, by their background, they represent several industries: aircraft, power generation, surface transportation, mining, steel making. So that's quite a diverse crowd that in terms of resources that we can bring together for this event. The first that comes to my mind is the long-term sustainability of raw material sourcing. Why? Because of this very increasingly complex, shall I say, economic and geopolitical context in the global world. Another challenge is to integrate process automation in the material fields. IMAT has a symposium dedicated on both. So a direct answer to those fundamental challenges. First, I'm excited that we are bringing, that IMAT is helping to secure and this concept of where ASM is better together or bigger together, the everything material motto as well. So I think IMAT is really what will crystallize all that. The international flavor we want to give to it also is very exciting. And we cannot ignore the global world.